Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious funnel cake at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need basic pantry staples such as all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, eggs, and vanilla extract. For equipment, grab a large mixing bowl, a whisk, a deep pot for frying, and of course, a funnel. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that perfect funnel cake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined and smooth. Avoid overmixing to keep the batter light. It's time for the fun part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of batter through your funnel, moving it in a circular, overlapping motion over the hot oil to create that classic funnel cake design. Fry for about 1 minute per side, or until it's beautifully golden brown. Use tongs to carefully flip and remove each cake. Once your funnel cakes are fried to perfection, carefully transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. For the classic finish, generously dust each warm funnel cake with powdered sugar. But don't stop there. Get creative with toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or even a scoop of ice cream. Enjoy your homemade, crispy, and delicious funnel cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.